What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I got some super exciting upgrades for my Sur Ron that I've been waiting for a long time. Reason I haven't got it yet is because I was still doing my research and still enjoying my Sur Ron as is with the 1919 situation. I just changed the tires like everybody does. But today, finally, we get to unbox this beautiful milkracing 16-inch by 1.85 inches rim that I finally got. Came here from Poland about maybe a week or so ago. I've been just kind of waiting to gather all the things for it. So we got that we're gonna unbox. I also have this beautiful Bridgestone M204, I believe is what it's called. This is the tire that is pretty much the lightest option to go with, so that's why I chose to go with this Bridgestone to start things out. This tire is about twice as heavy as my current tire, which is the Maxxis MaxCross IT 19-inch. Also, another thing about this tire is shout out to Charge Cycle Works for that cool chart that they provide on their website. That shows all the different weights and everything, so definitely shout out to those guys. Definitely use their advice, and I picked this up, which is the lightest tire available. And I also picked up this Tusk heavy duty tube from Charge Cycle Works, which is what they recommend, so I just went with that. Again, shout out to those guys, they're awesome. What else we have? Lastly, I got this Warp 9 aluminum sprocket. The sprocket is like half the weight of my current sprocket. It's still 48 teeth, but I'm gonna experiment and I'm gonna get 48, 54. I'm gonna have all of them. They're not that expensive to have. Now I know some guys do not like the aluminum sprockets because they do wear out faster, but I don't mind trying this out and seeing the effects. And if I need to replace it in a little bit, then I'll replace it. So we got that, so let's check this out. This one is pretty much open, and I'll show you guys the sprocket. Aluminum 48 teeth. Sprocket is very, very light. And now for the main course and the reason we are here, the milkracing 16-inch rear rim for the Sur Ron. So let's go ahead and open it up carefully. There is a logo here that says do not use box cutters, but we'll be very, very careful. Alright. So, actually, it's very surprising. It comes with a tube already. Look at this beauty. Let me put this aside. Beautiful. Let me show you guys this. Milkracing. I went for the black spokes with the black rim, and I actually got it dished so it doesn't hit my chain. We'll see what happens when we install it. But look at that, super beautiful. It actually comes with the rim lock as well. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's cool of them to do. I did not know it comes with the rim lock, so that's a surprise to me. Looks like there's some hardware kit right here. I'm gonna need some cutters, and I'll be right back. All right, what do you know? I went outside to go grab myself some cutters so we can finish this up, and another upgrade has arrived. I'm gonna keep you guys guessing as to what this is. If you think you know, drop a comment. We'll see if you're right on the next video. We'll unveil this. But back to this. Nice. It got shipped very well protected, so shout out to Milk Racing, because this came all the way from Poland. And we got a little note over here. You guys can see that. We got a little thank you note right here from Milk Racing. Got some hardware or something over here. We'll check that out. All right. This thing is looking beautiful. A little bit on the heavy side. I'm not sure what all this weighs. I'll try to put that information up if I can for you guys. But let's check out what this is. This hardware kit. Look at that. So, I hope you guys can see. Looks like 2 extra spokes. A spoke tool. Star key, Allen key, 17 mil wrench, some random bolt, I'm not sure for what for, and some balancing weights. Very cool that they include all of this. I will put it aside. So yeah, I'm excited and I can't wait to throw these upgrades on my bike. I think it's gonna make a huge difference. Now I know some guys get the Warp 9 linkage because of the 16 back. I wanted to try my bike out without it first and then see if I need it. I'm just gonna add it. But that's about it. I'm not gonna bore you guys with the actual installation. It's pretty straightforward. There are tons of videos out there about this stuff. But yeah, if you guys enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe so you can check back and see what the bike looks like when we're all finished. I appreciate you guys watching. Leave a like and a comment and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace!